The rules like this. On Europe, the rules are like this. When we play of international competition on Asia, it's like this. On Indonesia, on some fields, it's different rules. Selamat malam. First, I want to say that was a good game. Opportunities for Borneo and opportunities for PSM Makassar. PSM Makassar have more opportunities than Borneo, in my opinion, and goal attempts. More corners, much more corners, offensive corners. I think on the first half, Borneo scored on the opportunity that just have this opportunity. As you see, we have a clear penalty. And it's already, all the time that I come here with PSM Makassar to play on Samarinda, always penalties, not B. But okay. There are two penalties here, one on the first half and one on the second half. According with the VAR, the ball go out. As you see, the ball not go out. So please, make your job. It's many mistakes. It's many mistakes. Do a penalty. And also, number Lima from Borneo cannot make this to opponent. This is mera card. How can this possible? So I am happy with the attitude and the performance. Not happy with the result because I think we deserve to win here. Was a good environment. Selamat, congratulations for the supporters that make this good environment, and I think was a good game, but many mistakes from the referee against PSM Makassar. We not play against one team, we play against two teams. But anyway, it's 1 point away, and as you see, we play with many young players, and I am happy with the performance of them, and happy with the result.
Kami hari ini udah bermain dengan apa yang disuruh sama coach, menjalankan instruksi coach. Nah, pertandingan hari ini dengan intensitas tinggi dan kita mempunyai beberapa peluang untuk dikonversikan jadi gol, tapi sayang tidak jadi gol. Untuk kedepannya pasti kita akan berusaha lebih baik lagi. Dan untuk supporter, saya mohon untuk kedatangannya melawan Bali United. Semoga kita di sana bisa meraih 3 poin.
11 upaya tembakannya, hanya 1 yang gol dari penalti. Kalau dari perhitungannya coach, kira-kira harusnya PSM bisa nyetak berapa nih di pertandingan?
At least more 2 penalties, and we don't know if we're gonna score the penalty or not. So I am happy that on 3 penalties the referee give us 1 penalty. So it's what is this? Because I believe that was the same things in opposite side. If our number 4 make this to another player, is mera card. If in our box happen this, it's going to be penalty. This is the truth. Go to check a good example against us when we play against Barito. It was the same thing. Uren got the hand like this, the ball passed there, he cannot remove the ball, he cannot remove the hand. So about this, I am happy to create chances, unhappy to not score the goals, but more unhappy to see that the Wasit allowed to make this. How you want to improve? What is the excuse for the VAR to not see this? Tell me, what is the excuse? Before, if you remember, since my first season, I say Indonesia need VAR. Now I say Indonesia need VAR, but people that manage the VAR, people that make the correct decisions. What you have afraid? What you have afraid? A game that Borneo not go down, PSM Makassar not go down, and you allowed to make these mistakes? I don't understand. Honestly, I don't understand. This is going to help the football? No, not going to help the football. 2 penalties not B, and mera card to number 5. That's it. The rules like this. On Europe, the rules are like this. When we play of international competition on Asia, it's like this. On Indonesia, on some fields, it's different rules. So why we expend money with VAR if you not follow the rules? Come on. need to have respect with the coach, with the players that work hard. Respect us.